Manufacturers today are operating in an increasingly uncertain world. Climate change, geopolitical disruptions, and changing customer expectations are placing new pressures on supply chains and production systems, with increasing demand for products that are delivered faster, perform better, and have strong green credentials. Digital technologies and artificial intelligence are transforming the manufacturing industry. Success is no longer driven by efficiency alone, but by the ability to adapt, respond, and innovate at pace. With unpredictable order books and expanding product ranges, future production requires a rethinking of how we design, configure, and operate modern factories. These are some of the challenges addressed by the Omnifactory Research Centre. The Omnifactory also offers an industrial-scale model digital factory, which is a unique national smart manufacturing demonstrator and testbed without any parallel internationally. It facilitates the development of the next generation of digitally enabled, flexible, and responsive factories. Using commercially available hardware and software, we work with industry to develop digital manufacturing applications and cyber-physical products to enable future factories to become more resilient, responsive, and ultimately more sustainable. Unlike traditional production facilities, Omnifactory is designed to adapt in real time. Its bespoke, reconfigurable testbed floor allows the facility to autonomously reconfigure itself to meet the requirements of the next product. By combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and digital connectivity across factory, system, and device levels, the facility can accommodate late-stage design changes, respond to changing requirements and fluctuating demand, challenges that would typically severely disrupt conventional manufacturing. The Omnifactory builds on the heritage of the Centre for Aerospace Manufacturing that has been delivering world-leading research and industrial solutions for more than 25 years. Supported by UK and European funding programs and direct industrial investment, the Omnifactory Research Centre has a proven track record in turning advanced research into high-impact industrial applications and technologies. Our mission is to help transform the manufacturing industry and help businesses improve their productivity, sustainability, and competitiveness.